BrandElevate what it is. One of the greatest hurdles that we all face as business owners is traffic generation, not just any kind of traffic but targeted traffic. No doubt, traffic is an essential component of any successful brand, but most of the time, you tend to overcomplicate this very simple concept. Generating targeted traffic as complicated as you think or may have been told by the so-called traffic experts. Honestly, they deliberately make things confusing in order to make themselves look smarter. Unbelievable. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Unlock the power of BrandElevate Unlimited to massive profits. Unlimited campaigns. Create and dump. Manage unlimited campaigns for your clients and close more profitable deals. Unlimited campaigns. Access millions of top-performing influencers across various social platforms such as Dump. Assign unlimited campaigns. Unlimited stores. Create unlimited stores in hundreds of niches and Dump. Industries. Unlimited products. Add thousands of high-quality products into your store or that of your clients and Dump. Drive sales through the roof. Unlimited tracking links. Easily measure results and generate detailed analytic reports from your clients' campaigns with unlimited tracking maps. Unlimited images. Upload, edit and Dump. Create unlimited attention-grabbing images that would mesmerize and drive engagement for your campaigns. Advanced influencers filtering. Use the robust filtering options to sort and Dump. Find top-performing talents influencers by industry and location. Unlimited agency license. With the unlimited agency license, you will be able to sell social influencers services to unlimited clients and Dump. Maximize your ROI. Get the exclusive BrandElevate Unlimited bundle deal now. Unlimited. $47. One-time payment. Here's everything you're getting. Create unlimited stores. Select among 5 store themes. Create unlimited products per store. Create unlimited tracking links. Create upload edit unlimited images. Create unlimited campaigns. Assign unlimited influencers to unlimited campaigns. Advanced influencers filtering by username, platform, industry and location. Unlimited agency license. What BrandElevate can do for you. With BrandElevate, you can find and Dump. Work with top-level influencers in your niche across multiple social platforms in a single click. Get over 200% ROI working with nano and Dump. Micro-influencers who are willing to promote your product to their highly engaging followers for cheap. Tap into their database of 3M plus high-quality social influencers in various industries, ready to promote your products and Dump. Services. Database of 3M plus high-quality social influencers in various industries, ready to promote your products and Dump. Services. Have your first successful influencer campaign running in less than 24 hours. Become an authority in your niche by leveraging the authenticity, connection and Dump. Credibility that influencers have built over the years with their followers. Drive engagement and Dump. Reach new target customers that never knew your brand existed. BrandElevate is newbie-friendly with zero learning curve. Easily measure the effectiveness of your campaigns with detailed insights and Dump. Tracking maps. Create stunning eye-catching images for your promotions. Promote any offer. Increase brand recognition, build trust and Dump. Drive conversions through the roof. Access their closely guarded list of top-performing talents that we have used to sell over 6 figures of our products till date. Secret backdoor strategies that newbies and Dump. Seasoned marketers are using to connect, dominate and Dump. Drive highly targeted traffic to any offer. Place your content in front of millions of active social users who are already interested in your products and Dump. Offers. Agency license included. Create beautiful mini social stores in a few clicks. Create, negotiate and Dump. Close profitable campaigns from a single dashboard. Connect your brand to the highly profitable millennial and Dump. Gents consumers. With BrandElevate, never spend money on unprofitable ads or complicated SEO strategies. Privately connect with each influencer directly and in real time. Create social buzz and damp. Build sales velocity for your newly launched products. Drive targeted traffic and damp. Build quality leads. Low one-time fee. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.